Hello friends, now we will discuss the next method of the mean. First method we discuss direct method. Now here we discuss assume mean method. Mean by assume mean method. And right here mean by assume mean method. By using this method we find the mean. Now see the data. Class intervals are given, fi is given. Now here see the class intervals 50 to 52. Next class is 53 to 55. Means the class are not continued. These classes are discontinued. Firstly, write down them in the continued form. To write the continued form, we have to, these are the lower limits and these are the upper limits. अपर लिमिट्स को 0.5 से इंक्रीज कर दो, लोअर लिमिट्स को 0.5 से डिक्रीज कर दो. मीन्स 50 को 0.5 से कम कर दिया, दैट विल बी 49.5, और इसको 0.5 से इंक्रीज कर दो 52.5. नाउ हियर वी राइट द न्यू CI. व्हेन यू राइट द टेबल solving the example, you can write directly new CI 49.5 to 52.5. अपर लिमिट इंक्रीज कर दो, लोअर लिमिट माइनस कर दो. नाउ हियर सेम क्लास विल बी कंटिन्यू 52.5, 55.5. नेक्स्ट 55.5 to 58.5, 58.5 to 61.5, and 61.5 to 64.5. These are the class intervals. Write down the frequencies. Fi 15, 110, 135, 115 and 25. Now here data is written. These are new CI. When you solve the example, you have to write only these things. Now for assuming method, we require the same tables. First xi, it is compulsory table. Xi means addition of both and divided by 2. Now here if you take the addition of both, that value will be 49.5. 0.5 means it is 1 is 50. 50 plus 52, it is 102. 102 divided by 2 means it is 61. Sorry, 51. Now see the difference between them. The difference between them is 3. Means add 3 in each. No need to do the calculation for each class interval. Difference is 3. Now add 3 in 51, you will get 54. Again add 3, you will get 57, 60, and last one is 60. Now here in the example we require summation Fi. Find out that summation Fi, addition of all the frequencies, add them. That addition is 4. Now in assuming method, we have to assume one method, mean. Anyone from xi column you can consider any entry as a assumed mean. But if you consider the middle value, it will be convenient to calculations. Means your calculation will reduce and you can do your calculations orally also. That's why we consider the middle value. If not possible, you can consider any entry, 51, 54, 60, 63, you can consider any one value, but middle is convenient for calculation. Now it is the value of A, means our assumed mean. Assumed mean A is equals to this. Now the next column for this method is DI. DI means xi minus A. Now here A is 57. Means you have to subtract this 57 from each entry. xi की जो वैल्यूज दी है उसमें से आपको 57 माइनस 51 minus 57, that value is minus 6 because this number is greater. 54 minus 57, that value is minus 3. 57 minus 57, that becomes 0. 60 minus 57, now the value is positive, and 63 minus 57, that value is 6. These are the values of DI, and the last column is Fi DI. This product of this DI and this Fi. This product we have to find out here. Now find out the product. 19 minus minus 6, it is minus, sorry, 15 minus 6, it is minus 90. Now find out this product. One value is negative, means obviously this product is negative. This product is 0. Now take this product. Five threes are 15, 1 carry, 3 ones are 1 carry 4 and 3 ones are. Now 25 six are, that is 150. These are the product. Now here we have to find the summation fi di. Summation fi di. For this summation, first add these negative numbers. Addition of the negative numbers is, now here 0, 9 and this value 2, carry 1 minus 14. Negative. Now add the positive numbers. Addition of these positive numbers is 0 plus 5, 9 and this one 4. It is 495. Now negative and positive do this value and then the value will be, it is 5, 7, 4 get cancelled. The summation fi di is equals to 75. Now use the formula. Mean is equals to, by assuming method, the formula is a plus summation fi di upon summation fi is equals to, our assumed mean is 57 plus summation fi di, that value is 75, divided by summation fi is 400. Now 57 plus, find out this value, 75 divided by 4, that value is 4 ones are remaining. It is 1.9 approximately, sorry 0.9, because there is a 0.9 and 400 is there, that value is approximately 0.9. Yes, your answer is 57.90 by using the assuming method. It is the formula for assuming method. Only one step is increased there. If you consider the assuming method, you have to find out di, and after that fi di, this product. And if you find out the di, your increase reduces and your work becomes easier.